Hello everyone, can you hear me? Just let me know if you can hear, we can get going. Hello everyone in the chat. Lava, Enchanted Games, 𝐒𝐿, Sky Random, Mr. Films, 𝐒𝐨𝐬𝐬. Yep, we can hear me. Nice. Okay.
Hello everyone, can you hear me?
Oh, I just need to mute my own stream so I don't hear myself. Cool. Well, I think we're more or less ready to get going then. Nice. Okay. So we're going to start off with some Hypixel parties. So if you want to join, the command is /p space join space BluePvps. And then in a bit, we'll be doing some actual coding as well. So yeah, we'll do a bit of both. Wait, isn't parties a Hypixel main thing and not a Skyblock thing? Yeah, we're going to be doing a bit of both. Mainly, we're going to be doing some Hypixel Skyblock coding, but it's nice to, do a bit of both. So we can interact and play some games together. Let me fix my hotkeys. They seem to be broken. And we'll get going. Hello everyone in the chat. Activate slow mode, please. I don't know. Is it necessary? I don't know. We'll see. What shall we do? I guess we can do some actual Sky Wars while we're waiting. P-list. How full is our party? Oh, it's already full. I mean, apparently, Bed Wars 40 versus 40 is back up. Yeah, so maybe we can do that. Let me see. /stream. Change max players. 80. We'll see. So now, if you didn't get a chance to join before, if it was full, you should be able to try get in now. I doubt we'll be able to fill a party of 80, but we'll see. Hello Spartan Spark, my mod in chat. Having a lot of people join. Actually, my sounds are quite loud as well. There we go. Nice. Okay. Hi Blue, how are you doing today? I'm doing really well, thanks. I'd like to apologise. I was going to stream... What day is it today? It's Monday. I was going to stream on Saturday, but then I got busy. Well, by busy, I was just busy watching Netflix. I decided to take like a day off, kind of just laze around. And then I was going to stream yesterday, Sunday, but then I can't remember why I didn't, but there was some reason why I didn't. So here we are, we're doing it today. So what for an F ad? Yeah, anyone can friend me if you want. You just have to do /f space BluePvps. And I will be your friend forever. Almost 15k subs. Yeah, we're on the road to 15k. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. It'd be really awesome if we could hit today. I doubt we will, but we'll see. Any requirements for a friend request? No. If you do friend, it'll automatically accept. I'm on Badland client, so yeah, you'll automatically get accepted. How's the party doing? Let's see. We're at 42. That's pretty good. Still lots more people coming in though, so we'll wait a little bit longer. How are you people? Yeah, how's everyone in chat doing? Hope you're having a good day. Did you get the potato talisman? I saw about that. Apparently everyone gets it, but I don't know how you redeem it. Does it just automatically get given to you? Do you have to craft it? I'm not sure. Let me know. Please do minions. Now, we're doing Enchantments Day, but it's pretty cool. I've made a lot of progress since whoever was here last stream. So yeah, so I'm excited to show you all that. And then we're going to be doing some new stuff. Why didn't you take something I sent to you in Discord seriously? Well, I don't know exactly which DM that was, but I don't know. I'm sure I didn't mean to cause offense. 50 players, wow, okay. Is anyone else joining? The talisman is in the hub if you talk to a guy by the map. Alright, cool. I'll do that later then. How to be a mod? Right now, stream mods are my Discord mods. So, yeah, that's how that works. Anyway, I think we should get into a game. Hopefully it'll let us play 40v40. Oh, I need to do P private. No. Yeah, I think I do. We'll just wait to see. More people are still joining. Wow, okay. 54. Maybe if I do P private, it'll let me do it. Hopefully we don't need a completely full party. It's not supported in private games. Okay, that's a real shame. Okay. Well, at least we realise that now. We'll have to do a party of 20 then. Drone party. Alright, you guys will have to rejoin. First 20 we'll be able to play. I thought I was good at commands, but when I saw you I was like, oh my god. Well, to get to where I am now it took a lot of practice. I've been doing commands for probably about 5 years, so yeah, it's kind of insane how I haven't got bored of them yet. What lobby? I'm not sure what lobby I'm in. We can go to... Okay, lobby 1's full. We'll go to the last... Lobby... Bed was lobby 45, if you wanna... Although we'll probably be getting to a game right now. Yeah, we're full. Okay, never mind. We'll get in a game. Let's go... Sky Wars. And if we do doubles, we should get double the people in. So that's cool. Oh, I didn't get in. It's fine. We'll only be doing a couple of games, or we'll be switching to the single player world, so not to worry. New sub. Who's? Thank you, Ardy, for the subscription. I'll turn teleport off, otherwise I'll have everyone just teleporting straight to my island, stream sniping. Why only 20 people? I think it's on 24, so that's the highest we can get in a game. Okay, let's go. I think I turned kits off to make it fair for the people who don't play this game. Okay. Let's get some stuff. Who am I with? Mars me? Nice. I feel slow. Don't know why. I am sprinting, so who knows? Oh, a sub? Who subbed? Let me check. Thank you, 𝐒𝐨𝐬𝐬 HD. Oh, and another one. I'll just keep Streamlabs open. Thank you, 𝐒𝐨𝐬𝐬. Oh, I just left my teammate. Wait, we have 3 times health. Oops. Oops. Thank you, 𝐒𝐿 for the sub. Bad boy Halo Cat, you're going down. Nice. We're smashing this. Okay. Nothing on our chest. So I'm out of blocks. Do you have blocks? Already 180 viewing. That's insane. Thank you, 𝐒𝐿𝐴𝐵 for the sub. Thank you. Oh yeah, I do not have much armor. Moss me carrying the team right now. Can we get this guy? Yeah, we are. We've got him. Okay, that's good. Did you see that, chat? Did you see that? Is it AFK? I don't know. Oh, no. Oh, no. No! Okay, we're dead. I love Remaking Skyblock. Thanks very much. Felix Benner. Yeah, we're down. That's a shame. What's chat saying? Are you going to do Remaking Skyblock later? Yeah, very soon we'll be switching to the single player world to do some coding. And I'll show off a few of the things I've been working on since last episode. I don't want to spoil everything because, you know, got to keep the surprise, but yeah, we've got a few things to show off. Let me quickly do pdrain. Okay, that's not the command. /stream. Okay, it just won't let me do it anymore. Right, I'll have to leave. Blue, tell me why there's no donate button. If you want to support me, you can always do so on Patreon, but otherwise, you know, you joining the stream is already supporting me a lot. Hopefully we've got some fresh people, so everyone has a nice fair chance. Almost 200. Wow, we just hit 200 viewers already. That's insane. Hi, Blue, I love you. I love you too. Any plans to recreate dungeons? Yes, not I'll probably do other stuff which are already in the game first. Let me fix this. But yeah, eventually we'll get to it. Do we do one hit, one kill? I think we do. You're almost 15k in subs. I know, right? It's insane. No, I couldn't join. Okay, it's fine. We'll do one more party game, and then we'll switch to single player. How does that sound? One hit. Everyone's crying in chat about the one hit. I don't know what to go for. Ender Pearl, I guess. I guess that'd help them. I didn't. Oh yeah, kits are disabled. Never mind. Never mind. I wonder if. No, imagine eggs one hit as well. That'd be insane. Who am I with? Oh, mask me again. Nice. Oh, oh, oh. That was terrifying. What am I doing? Right now we're just doing we're doing a party, but if you mean what we're going to be doing on the single player, then we're going to be actually making some enchantments. So basically I made the enchantment table. I've made all the enchantments appear. Nice. I made all the enchantments appear, so you can randomly get every enchantment. However, none of the enchantments actually function yet, so we need to do that. So that'll be fun. Let me go on to. Let me quickly get this potato talisman everyone was talking about. Oh yeah, here it is. Nice. Okay. Cool. Let me add that to my accessory bag. I'll reforge it later. I got kicked for some reason. Oh, let me just disband the party because we're going on single player now anyway, so that's alright. P disband. Have I spelt it right? Yeah, I have. Wow. Okay, let me load single player. Give me a second, guys. I wonder how he's going to do the brewing stands. I am not sure yet. But I've been having a very tough time working on enchantments. It's been, what, like a week since my last live stream? And I've only just got kind of a decent stage with it. I've been working on it all day, like every day. But it's definitely been tough. I think it's probably one of the hardest things we have to work on yet. They're adding more enchants to dungeons. Can't wait, chat. I can't wait. Okay, here we go. Got a nice little party going on my island again. Let's get the rock out. Oh, somebody's sending me a trade request. Time for the contraband. Okay. Is it? Okay, we actually just got 1 million for doing nothing. Nice. Okay. Here we go. Let's open our data pack up. Let's open in VS Code. And it's taking ages to load. No hurry. Okay, cool. We're in. Here's my code again. Do I close this? Do I close this? Okay, I need to get my rock out. I'll just sit on my rock. Okay. And just like that, if we load in our world, we should be good. Blue Commander, are you going to make hidden flags? You make it like infinity? I don't know exactly what you mean, but I haven't currently used the infinity enchant for anything because obviously it's not in real Skyblock. So we have 250 people watching right now. That's insane. As you can see, this is the current enchanting table. I need to enable our resource pack. And if I full screen, is it gonna... Okay, cool. Can you guys still see the full screen? Hopefully. But yeah, let me show you what we've got so far. So if I just clear my stuff. We still haven't got the book on top. But now if you right click, we got our perfect menu. I think this is roughly where we got to last time, on last stream. But since then we've done a lot more. We have done a lot more. But long story short, enchants now work. So if I just chuck in a sword, it's randomly generated the levels. So if I click here again, they've changed. It's also working with bookshelves. Oh, black. If I remove some bookshelves and reopen, yep, it's gone down, as you can see. If I enchant, it's actually got the descriptions as well. That took ages. I had to write up every single one of these descriptions. You can also get multiple enchants, as you can see just there. There you go, multiple enchants. What else? I guess if I get a book, we could get a nice mix of things. So it's not just sword enchants. Quickly let's do a max level. Let's see. If I put in full, invalid stack size. Just like that. And it's also got the new enchantments, as you can see. So cast 5. What else? Impaling, lethality. So yeah, this is kind of where we're at the moment. Oh, new sub. Must read all subs. Thank you, Sesuni. Something like that. So yeah, I'm seeing a lot of nices in chat. Thank you very much. But what we've got to do today is make them function. So this is not just the custom enchants. We need 300 viewers. Wow. Okay. But yeah, we also need to make it so the vanilla enchants function too. Because, for example, let me see if I can get sharpness. Come on, come on, come on. The one time you want sharpness, it doesn't appear. Thank you very much, Jackson, for the sub. Why can't I get... Oh, here we go. So, sharpness. And if I get a mob... why don't you live stream on Twitch? I just prefer YouTube. I don't personally use Twitch, so... Thank you, Synthesia Recorder. But yeah. Here we got a normal diamond sword. Thank you, Jello Blue. And that, how much damage does that deal? That damage 40. I saw a lot of people wondering why swords do so little damage. But it's not because we have a different system. It's just because I don't have any base strength. Because, you know, I haven't done... Oh, thank you, Floris Van La, for the sub. I haven't done any talismans, base strength from fairy souls, things like that. Thank you, Dark Theme MC. Anyway, where was I? So yeah, if we get our sharp sword now, it's also dealing 40. So yeah, not only, thank you Ethan for the sub, not only do we have to make our custom enchants, but we also have to make every enchant, which is about 59. So yeah, we're in for a treat today. What enchant should we start with, guys? I'm thinking maybe we should start simple with I don't know, sharpness or protection, maybe something like that. Will you show the coding too? Yep, I'm doing coding this episode. Will you update the plugin to 1.16? Well, number one, it's a data pack, not a plugin, but I mean, yeah, that's just a thing. But yeah, I will be updating to 1.16 when it comes out. So yeah, let's open our stuff. If we go Skyblock, functions, build lore. Oh yeah, I never really touched on this much, but I got to go physics. Alright, see you later, Spot. Yeah, we have a whole custom lore system. Let me grab a item to show this off. What should we do? Let's get... Seeing do growth. Yeah, we can do growth as well. I don't know what to grab. Well, let's grab superior so I can flex on you guys again. And we come back. Oh, I'm having a lot of subs I'm missing. Sorry, guys. Thank you, the Dark Templar. But if we make our way back to the enchanting table here, it also works with custom items. So it's not just these vanilla stuff. If I put in a superior and I enchant it, what's something good? I'll protection 5, why not? As you can see, it puts the enchantments in the correct place in the lore. So it's in the middle. It's after the stats, but before descriptions. Superior isn't even a flex. I'm sorry to hear that. What is the flex then? I'll have to cheat that in as well so I can flex on you no matter what. You're the best for making this. Thank you very much. So what was my point with this? Yeah, so basically I had to design a whole system to put the enchantments in the correct place. So I thought it was just best I describe that, because that's what this is. Basically it just removes all of the lore and then rebuilds the whole thing. So here, this stuff's adding... So say we've got this item, it would completely remove its lore, then this bit would re-add the stats, then this bit would add the enchantments, this would add the description, and this would add the bit at the bottom like rarity, where it says this item can be reforged, stuff like that. So this is basically where we're going to be having to code in lots of the stuff. We also have, if I go enchantments commands, every enchantment has a command which runs when it's successfully applied to an item. So this is like our update functions. For example, if I go into sharpness and do this command here, it's basically calculating how much bonus damage you do. So these items don't just work with the vanilla values. I could, for example, set say I do this and go sharpness. I could set like a sharpness 573, why not? And if I throw down a sword, do this. Obviously this is not how you do it in the actual game, but this is how I do it. As you can see, it's correct. It's calculated melee damage will be boosted by 2,865. This is just a number. We haven't actually, as I showed you, it doesn't function yet. But that's basically what this is doing. Yeah, so I think that's basically all you had to know before we get going. I'm trying to think of anything I might have missed, but I think we're good. So yeah, let's just start making something simple like, I don't know, protection, I guess. If I can find it in the massive 59 items. Protection. Here, protection. So we've already calculated how much... Wait, let me quickly... Such a long process to be able to manually add an enchant to an item at the moment. Protection 5. I've got to drop it here, click the button. That adds it behind the scenes, but then I've got to put it in here and click this button. As you can see, 15 defense. But if I wear this, it's only doing the 40. Right, so we need this number, the 15. Oh wait, why am I not full screen? We need this 15. I'm probably losing some people here. I'm trying my best to explain this, but I'm terrible at explaining things. So we need this 15 protection to be applied to the 40 at the top. So where it says defense 40, it should say defense 55. Because as you can see, protection is not doing anything right now. So let's do that, I guess. First step is we need to create some scores. This will track the total protection, or the total defense on an item. So let's go reload. Actually no, this is our... I need to apply this to the menu reset. So we go to here, and then down here, oh, thank you for the sub, Cena. But yeah, then we just go E underscore damage, E underscore, I don't know, we need everything, so let me just put this on two sides. So damage, strength, let me do this actually. So E, damage, strength, crit chance. So what this is going to act is it's going to be a running total. So this will count up when we do reforges. We haven't done them yet, but when we do, this will add the reforge. This will add how much defense the item started with. It'll add enchantments, all things like that. Thank you for the sub key. Yeah, I'm seeing people in chat asking what I use. I use VS Code. Thank you, 𝐒𝐿𝐴, for the sub. Let me add enchant health, enchant defense. So many subs coming, this is crazy. Thank you, Duck Mapper. Maybe we can get 15k today, who knows. inch speed. So another, wow. 𝐒𝐿𝐼𝐻. Thank you, 𝐒𝐻. Enchant speed and enchant intel for intelligence. Why is there dislikes? Only one, not too bad. Thank you, Diamond Wizard, for the sub. Okay, so now we've got these up the top. Let me shrink this a bit. Okay, that did the opposite of what I wanted. Okay, that's better. So then all the way up the top here, we want to go scoreboard players set 𝐴𝐻𝐻𝐬𝐿 enchant damage to 0. Actually, no, we don't want to do that, do we? We want to set it to this, to their base damage. Thank you for the sub, 𝐒𝐿𝐵99. Okay, so let's get in game to do this, that'll be easier. So we'll go execute store, result in score. Thank you, 𝐒𝐿𝐴𝐻𝐻𝐿 for the sub. Execute result in score, 𝐴𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐿's enchant damage. Run data get entity. Where are we getting this from? Oh no, we're not getting it from an entity, we're getting it from storage. So we're getting it from here. From data get storage, and then we change damage to base damage. Thank you, Green Doggy the 4th. I think that's 4th. Try making chest GY bigger. Right now that's impossible for me to do with data packs, so I'm just kind of praying that in the future Mojang adds like a feature where I can increase the size. But right now that isn't possible, unfortunately. Why does VS Code keep doing this to me? I want you small and this one big. Hopefully that fixed it. Nope, it just does not want to work. Alright, that's fine. We'll just do this. Duplicate this a couple times. Thank you for the sub, 𝐿𝐵99. So copy crit chance, copy crit damage. But yeah, as I said, I was going to stream several days ago, but I was just so busy adding them to naturally spawn in the enchanting table that I couldn't. But I was hoping this would be more interesting, be a bit more varied, adding lots of different enchants and things like that. Enchant intelligence, cool. And then we go base intel, base speed, base defense, because obviously we don't want our health score to be setting from the base damage, of course, so that's why we're doing this. Base crit DMG, crit Chan, strength, and we're good. Cool. So now we've done this over here. Yeah. Okay, yeah. We need to... So basically now we've just got the item's base damage, but then once we've done all our calculations, we want to put this back onto the item. So to do that, we're going to have to go into Skyblock, functions, build law, stats, and then it should be all these. So let's open damage. Cool. Yeah, this is correct, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, okay, this is definitely correct. Okay, so we need to then go to Minecraft JSON. If anyone's trying to get into making data packs, this is another website I really recommend. It's really good for making, you know, well, MBT. But we want this bit. This bit, basically what this does, if I type this in chat, it prints a score for me. So if I change this to I don't know, player ID, for example. Do you accept friend requests? Yeah. Just do /f at BluePvps. So for example, if I make this print my player ID, it will print it. So we want this to change the law to this score. Like so. And then we just need to escape all these quotations so it doesn't break on me. Nice. I think we're good then. And then of course change, we don't want it to print the player ID, we want it to print inch_damage. So if this all went to plan, which it wouldn't be surprised me if it didn't, we should now, if I reload, an item's damage should stay the same, which doesn't sound impressive because it means we've made literally no changes, but it means we can actually add scores to these things. Okay, we messed it up. Of course we did. It now just says plus. Will you ever make your own server? I'm not currently planning to, but you never know. I might change my I don't know, my interests in the future. I don't know why I struggle so hard to think of the word interest. Okay, so what we need to do to fix this is tag our enchanting table. Can't you just use the code to generate this for you? I don't really know what you mean. But no, we can't generate this kind of stuff. We could generate the items, or at least get people to do it for me, but thank you Rural and Worcestershire for the sub. But yeah, this kind of stuff takes a lot of work, but I enjoy doing it, so it's alright. Thank you 𝐒𝐿_𝐬𝐿. So tag current enchant. We'll just do something simple like that. And then once we finished our function, we remove this tag. And now in damage, we can go down here. Instead of doing @s, @entity tag equals current enchant. Lim equals 1. Not that there will be more than 1. Keep opening the wrong Minecraft. This is sad. Almost 15k GG. Yeah, we're getting close. If I reload, we don't want this item anymore. Okay, hopefully we've fixed it. Okay, yeah, apart from the color. It's now in light purple. And yeah, that'll be because I made it light purple. I'm done. And then we need to make it not italic, because no one likes italic. Just, why do I keep opening bad line? Okay, reload. If I can spell. If I open my table. Nice. Okay, we've successfully made it do nothing. But behind the scenes, that's huge. Okay, Marius 𝐒𝐿𝐴. Yeah, something like that. Thank you for the sub. Now we need to do this. Thank you, 𝐿𝐿 for the sub. Blue command taking contraband for sure, man. I know some people are against it, but I'll take anything I can get. 𝐷rox303, thank you for the sub. Okay, so let's just open all these, and these are all of our different stats. And we just need to do the same thing that we did in here. If I can copy it. Thank you, Samuel, for the sub. Means a lot. Then we go over here. And we replace this onwards. And change enchant damage to defense. So many steps involved. How is Hypixel cool with this? Well, I mean, they gave permission. I mean, I'm not stealing their code. I'm doing everything myself, so, you know. I guess you could argue I'm using their world, but yeah, like I said, I asked them and they said they were alright with it, so I don't know. I'm mainly just doing it for fun. I'm not really doing it for, you know, I'm not trying to, you know, steal their work or take credit for them or anything. Hence why I asked. And also the reason why I'm not making a server. I don't want it to seem like I'm just trying to steal their players, because I'm just doing this for fun. Okay, now we need to do speed. Thank you, Mumbo for Mayor, for the sub. Enchant speed. Thank you, Simon Klein, for the sub. Hey, Blue Commander, keep up the good work. Thank you, Alex HD. Where do we get up to? Okay, here, strength. Let's do strength as well. Chara says, I recommend joining Blue's Discord server. Yeah, if none of you are in it, well, obviously some of you are, but if you're not in it already, the link's in the description. It's actually been really active at the moment, which is awesome. If you have any questions or just want to hang out, I'm on there pretty often, so it'd be nice to see some new faces. Thank you, 𝐿𝐿𝐿, something like that. I butchered that, I'm sorry. Attack speed. Thank you, Manu Floso YT, for the sub. So many subs coming in right now. Thank you, I'm Sofa King Dan. That's an interesting name you've got there. Inchan Crypt. I've probably messed one of this up. I'm not really concentrating on what I'm doing right now. Crit damage. Gotta do this as well. Thank you, 𝐒𝐨𝐬𝐬𝐬. So yeah, does anyone have any questions about the project or anything like that while we're doing this? How do I join your... Oh, that's a good point. Is there a way to make a guild public? Because my guild has been... I made a guild ages ago. And it's been completely dead. Because none of my... It was just made for friends originally, but none of my friends go on Hypixel that much. They do like single player or whatever. I don't know what they do these days, to be honest. But yeah, it's kind of been empty. So if there's a way to make it public, for sure, that'd be awesome if we had like a public guild for any of you to join. Thank you, 𝐒𝐨𝐬𝐬 𝐒𝐿𝐿𝐿, something like that. So yeah, hopefully, did I reload? I don't remember. /G settings. Let's do that real quick. Also, I wonder how many friends... We're on page 40, that's insane. Only a couple of weeks ago, I had like 1 page of friends. Everyone's still chilling on the island. How you all doing? Okay, /G settings. Let's see. What settings can we change? What do I do here? Everyone's spamming G settings, but I don't know what I do from this point on. Shown? Is that it? I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. Oh, settings visible true. Like that. I don't know. Oh, shown true. We'll work it out eventually. Shown true. Okay, it's now visible. Does that mean anyone can join? I don't know. But yeah, we've got 9 out of 125 members, so yeah, it'd be cool if we could fill this up. So how do people join now? It's shown. Oh, do I need to manually accept everyone? Yeah, do I have to manually accept people, or will it just allow anyone to join? Why stream delay? Yeah, I'm not very good at streaming. But, yeah, I'll try fix stream delay. I've already tried several times but failed. Hello, the guinea pig. I see you in chat. Yeah, the guild's called Quirk. I don't know why. I think we're just looking for a name in the alphabet, or no, sorry, a name in the dictionary, a word in the dictionary. And it was like one of the only ones we could find, or one of the shortest ones we could find. So yeah, that's why. Anyway, back to coding, I guess. So if we haven't broken this, which we probably have, these stats should stay the exact same. Alright, well, I think it worked. Okay, apart from the fact it turned red, it works, so that's very good news. Looks kind of weird being red, but... yeah, everyone's bullying my stream delay. Yep, I know. If anyone knows how to fix stream delays, let me know. I followed a tutorial, I was like, this will 100% fix your stream delay. And I came next stream all proud of myself, thinking I'd fixed it, and just... everyone was just disappointed in me. It did not fix. Okay, so let's fix... this is something we can fix, at least. We can make this green instead. Health. Make this green. What other stats are in green? Intelligence should be in green, not red. I'm saying, can you accept me? I won't be able to check this every second to accept people, but... so that's something Badlands should have. They should have auto guild accept or something as well. Thank you, 𝐒𝐴𝐵 for the sub. Means a lot. Yeah, I can't keep doing this, but I wish I could. So yeah, this is green too. Speed should be green. I think that's everything. Let me check. Wrong one. May as well accept a couple of people while I'm here. Welcome to the guild. It's in the stream dashboard. What, is there a way you can literally just, in the settings, change it? If there is, I'm so dumb. Okay, so hopefully this should be green now. Growth 5, why not? Nice, okay. It looks the exact same. Exciting. So, accept a couple more people quickly. Loads coming in, which is good. Okay, so now our next step, I wasn't expecting to have to do that, but now we have. Let me see here. So once we're done, we need to do the reverse of this. At the end of this function, wrong Minecraft. Yeah, people asking how to join it. It should be /g space join space BluePvps, something like that, or Quirk maybe. What was it? Oh yeah. So right now we set the player's damage into their score, right? And now at the end of this function, once we've done all of our calculations, so once we've added our growth health to the health, once we added our defense from protection, stuff like that, we want to do the reverse. So we'll want to do /data. Actually, do we want to move it? Okay, wrong thing. I've got too much open right now. Yeah, so we want to... nope. How am I messing this up so much? Okay, so we want to store result in storage. Lore builder. Like so. Base. I think it's just like... oh no. Okay, so base... oh, I messed it up. So damage, instead of base, this is the actual damage now. I would explain why that is, but I don't think it's worth it, because I'll probably just confuse everyone. And then we want to set it to the ench... let me see here. ench damage. That's the one. So move to real law is here, like so. And then I just need, what, like 9 of these for every stat. Yeah, I think so. So strength, crit, attack. Strength, crit, chance, crit, damage, attack, speed. And then health, defense, speed, intelligence, just like so. And then we change this to the exact same thing. Oh, what's chat saying? Accept me. Okay, let's do some more guild accepting. Oh, everyone's timing out, I'm sorry. So many people have timed out. Okay, if you quickly do it again, I'll accept a couple. I think the best way to do this would be, I don't know, maybe after the stream I could just accept a bunch of you. Yeah, that's probably what we should do. It's a shame they don't have an auto-accept. Oh, okay, we just got a load. Let me accept all of you wonderful people. My chat's, there's too many people in chat. Okay, hopefully that's some people. Nice, okay. How's our guild doing? /g info 33, let's go. Let's go, guys. Okay. Back to the single player. Crit Chan. Crit DMG. Also, I saw some people asking when the next episode will be out. I'm still not sure, but I just want you to know it's not because I'm slacking. I've been putting so much work into this. They just take so much work. Normally I alternated uploads, so I'd do like one Remaking Skyblock and then one just data pack video because they were a lot easier to do. But since the last episode blew up so much, clearly people wanted to see that a lot more, so I thought I'd do a double. Well, I thought I'd mainly just focus on this. But obviously that means I don't think I'll be able to upload once every 2 weeks. It'll probably be more like once every 3 or 4 weeks if I keep doing Skyblock every episode, so we'll see. But yeah, I am coming towards the end of episode 6 content. I like to think so anyway. Okay, I think we've done this. So now we can add protection. Well, now we can start adding any enchant, really. So in protection, we just wanted to go... Yeah, so I don't know why I just froze then again. Oh, I'm missing people again. Okay, it's whatever. You guys can always join another time, don't worry. So then we want to go like this. If I can... Let me think. So what do we want to do? I completely brain froze. Yeah, so we want to go execute store result in score @s's. Thank you, Brady, for the sub. When are you doing abilities? I am not sure when I'm going to do abilities. Obviously, I think it'll be really fun to do them, and I'm sure lots of my beta testers really want to try out the abilities. But also, I think it's kind of just a priority right now to get kind of the core features done. Because the sooner we can get things, really obvious main things like enchanting done, the anvil done, brewing done, island functionality, so, the deep caverns spawning mobs and summoning ores, stuff like that. That's kind of the main stuff we need to do before we can have an actual release. So yeah, they're kind of what we're trying to do as fast as possible. Okay, thank you 𝐒𝐨𝐬𝐬𝐿 for the sub. I'm Yoshi says, have you forgotten True Defense? I have not. I've got a function which runs in the update lore. Obviously you can't get it in the enchanting table because, well, you can't in normal Skyblock, but I've got the commands in the background for it, so nope. Luckily I checked the wiki, so I was hoping I wouldn't miss any. And I haven't so far, so that's good news. Okay, and here, oops. So basically what the command I've just written does, okay, we don't need, okay, there we go, that's much better. So it sets the player's protection quantity, I guess you could say. So here, so protection 15, defense. It sets that to a score, and then we want to add this score. Wrong one. Okay, I guess every now and again we can accept a couple of people. Just keep applying, and eventually I'll see you. Okay, then we want to go scoreboard players operation at s ench defense plus equals at s's 𝐒𝐴𝐵. So what that's doing is it's basically getting the player's base defense. So say I did this on a superior chest plate, it would get the 190 defense, and then it'll add that 15 to it, right? And then at the end of this, what we wrote a couple minutes ago, this is going to set that back to the item. So it means the protection should actually function if I've done everything correct. Blue, how do you update health when you change armor? I can't remember exactly the process. I had to check because in the first several versions it was really messed up. I did it completely wrong. My whole system was broken. I had to fix loads. But I think the way it worked is if you're max health, it'll give you the health from an item, but if not, it won't do anything. Which sounds simple, but it took me ages to work that out. My brain is melting. Don't worry. If you don't understand what I'm doing, hopefully you'll still be able to see the final results of things we do. So either way, you should hopefully be able to have a good time. Okay, that also means I should be able to change this. The scoreboard players get at s's 𝐒𝐴𝐵. Yeah, that should work. So now protection should function. Fingers crossed, everyone. Have a drum roll in chat. Reload. Okay, let's place our superior in. And okay, so we're on 190 defense right now. This is the moment of truth. Hey, as you can see right now, it went from 190 to 205. So, nice. Okay, so now protection enchant works. So GG everyone. Can we have a hype in the chat? We've just recreated a vanilla enchant using our custom system. And then we should be able to do a very similar thing for growth. So let's just do that straight away. Because, you know, growth is basically the same thing but for health. Yeah, I'm seeing lots of A's. That's what you like to see, chat, isn't it? We love to see a working enchant. Okay, let's find growth out of this big list. Okay. And then growth is 15 times the level. So I just need to change protection to growth. And then instead of timesing by 3, we times by 15. Oh, and change. It doesn't add it to defense, it adds it to health. And just like that, I think we should have already created... yeah, we should have already created growth. I'm kind of just in shock how easy this was. Obviously, there'll be a lot harder enchantments in the future. We're kind of just doing the easy ones right now. Okay, so let's see if we can find a growth. Okay, let's do it on just a vanilla chest plate. Because we need to see if... Oh, that's already got an enchant on it. Let me find... There you go, diamond chest plate. We don't want that. We want growth. Not fire protection, not protection, not thorns. There we go, growth. So hopefully this works. Ah. Okay, that's a problem. Slight problem. It's alright, guys. Nothing too severe. We can still recover from this. That's a shame. The question is, where did it mess up? Did it mess up printing the lore, or did it mess up actually adding it to the item? Because that's two different things. The item might technically give me health. As you can see, it gives me the health. So we have added, we've successfully added growth. It just doesn't display up here. So above defense, it should say health 75. But hopefully, I think I know why that worked. So let me see here. Yeah, okay, this is why. So basically for optimization, I'd only run the function if they have a damage score. And obviously, or a health score in this case. But our item, because a diamond chestplate doesn't have health, this wouldn't have run. So instead of checking if they have a base health score, we want to... Oh, I'm being kicked. Oh, I should probably bank my mill. Thank you, 𝐒𝐴𝐻, for giving that to me. I think it was 𝐒𝐴𝐻. Cool. 320 viewers now. Thanks so much, everyone. Okay, I missed a ton more of things. Okay, so yeah, instead of checking for the base defense, we want to go /execute if score 𝐴𝐻𝐼𝐻's health in this case matches 1 or more. So this kind of like it's doing the same job, but it'll work with our system if everything went correctly. So yeah, it's small tweaks like this which can make a massive difference. Oh, run. Almost messed up. And then change this. Defense. Reload it, says Minecraft Ved. I'm pretty sure I reloaded. That would be really embarrassing if I hadn't just reloaded it, but I'm pretty sure I did. Oh, I didn't copy it. Copy. Paste. 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 And paste. Okay, then we just need to change this up. Hopefully, if we've done this correctly, we will have a working growth, which will be exciting to see. My beta testers will be very happy to know they can actually start doing stuff. Well, I guess it's kind of hard to play with this until I added Anvil. Because, you know, if they don't know what they're doing, they won't have this weird setup with a chest minecart and a command here and a command there to add their own high-level enchants. So I'll probably have to add Anvil for next release as well. I didn't think of that. Everyone's bullying me saying reload. You guys are funny. I say while crying. Okay, I need another vanilla chest plate. Here. Look guys, I'm reloading, okay? You see this? You see this, everyone? I'm reloading. Hey, 𝐒𝐿𝐴𝐻 in chat. How you doing? Okay, please say growth works. Alright, let's just check defense is still working. Oh, we got growth on it. No, wait, that worked. Yeah, we got growth. Hype. Let's get some more hypes. Every enchant we do, I want to see nothing but hypes. Okay, cool. Just trying to see if there's anything wrong with this, but it looks correct. If I add it. Yep. We got our, as you can see, it went up to 175. We got our growth and we got our defense. Nice. Okay. So what enchant should we do next? I'll take suggestions. Hopefully something simple. We want to start easy and work our way up, I think. Is there any enchants like... Oh, thank you, Brad Cubed, for the sub. Is there any enchants like growth and protection, which, you know, kind of do like a simple thing like that? Or just add a stat? I'm trying to think. Thank you, the True Colors LP, for the sub. We're very close to 14,900. Let me see. If I reload it, might update. Yeah, we have already hit it. Okay, my count is a bit delayed. Okay, what are you guys saying? What should we do? I'm seeing True Protection. I'm seeing Critical. I'm seeing Thunderlord, the most pointless enchant in the game. I'm seeing a lot of True Protection, you know. Thank you, 𝐒𝐿𝐬𝐬, for the sub. Sharpness. Okay, yeah, maybe Sharpness. We'll do True Prop and Sharpness next, I think. Alright, that's enough, guys. Your votes are being counted, and we're doing... Let me open the correct ones. So, Sharpness, where are you? And... True Protection. Even though it's the most pointless enchant to do right now, because you can't actually get it in the enchanting table. And I'm pretty sure you get it from NPC, right? So there's not really any reason for me to make this right now, but you guys want to see it, so here we go. This one actually be quite hard, because we'll have to redo the... Well, we'll have to add a whole new stat. So, yeah, that'll be a thing. That one might take a while, but we'll start with Sharpness. That'd be simple, I think. Let's accept a couple guild members. Welcome to the crew. Thank you, 𝐿𝐿𝐬𝐿13, for the sub. Oh, I accidentally dismounted my rock. If anyone wants to waste your coins on me for the contraband right now, now is your chance. I'm joking. I always feel so mean taking stuff, but at the same time, it's like the most satisfying thing, just getting 1,000,000 coins for doing nothing. Okay. Let's see. What does Sharpness do? Does it just add pure damage? Increases melee damage dealt by 25%. Okay. Couple of questions with this, though. We need to know, does it include... Is it just pure damage? So is it... This? No, not that. That's health. Is it, as you can see, damage on the bottom? Is it strength? Is it damage and strength? That's a tough one. I assume it's everything, right? Hold on, let me get the wiki up. The wiki's been very helpful so far, so... Hypixel Skyblock Enchant... No, that's the forum post. We're on the actual wiki post. Sharpness. Okay, they don't have a dedicated sharpness page, but that's alright. I wasn't really expecting them to. Sharpness is the damage that your sword here... I can't speak today, what is up? The damage that your sword did... So, wait, so chat, are you saying that... Wrong page. Are you saying if I summon a mob, what won't die in one hit? I guess an iron golem. Or a custom mob, I guess I could summon. So are you saying... If a diamond sword deals 40, are you saying this would deal 50? Is that what... Correct me if I'm wrong, chat. Is that what you're saying? Check forums for the Oh, does the forums have... Oh yeah, I do vaguely remember seeing a massive... Oh yeah, I think I even bookmarked it. Yeah, damage calculation. Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, thank you, chat. Okay, so we've already got our base damage. I've already made that. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of yeses. So I think... Oh, thank you, 𝐒𝐿𝐬𝐬, for the sub. So the wiki's saying 5% per level, but we already know that. Let's see here. Do they have a dedicated enchantment section? Hello in chat, 𝐿𝐿𝐬𝐿𝐬. What did I miss? Well, you missed me showing off what a big part of the enchant system, and also we've already made protection and growth work. So yeah, we missed quite a bit, but not too much. Okay, this wiki has got a lot of information. So the damage multiplier is blah 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 blah. So it's all this. Yeah. So enchants. Ooh. Yeah, so I think we understood correctly. Cool. Wrong page. Oh, nice. Nice, guys. Yeah, so let me open my stat system, I guess. We'll get going there. Okay, that's here. So stats, functions, and this is a damage update. So welcome to my damage update function. Let's see. Is damage already calculated by this point? Oh, I think it's calculating the sub functions. So yeah, so we don't want environment, we want player. So I believe that, yeah, this is where, oh yeah, this is all our damage formula. So what you're seeing right here is the equivalent of, let me get it back up, of this. I'm pretty sure, if I'm looking at the correct thing. Thank you, Justin, for the sub. Celeste says, how long have you spent on this? If you mean the whole project, a long time. A long time. But if you mean this particular episode, pretty much I probably started working on content maybe a week after it first came, after episode 5 came out. It spent a long time having to do bug fixes. I don't know how many of you saw my second channel vid, but we fixed over 100 bugs, so that's exciting. So yeah, right here, I've got to do a couple changes. So this command is what takes the calculated health from the player. So I'll just name this remove health. It's always nice to, oh, thank you Lambas for the sub. It's always nice to keep your functions nice and organized. Hello, Arman Rules says he just tuned in, so hello. Everpig says, where are my super chats? Non-existent. Okay. So what did the wiki call this? So this is damage multiplier. Damage multiplier. Like so. And then, okay, so we need to store the player's sharpness score, which I think we already do. So let me go into game. Here we have a sharpness sword. So if I go data, let me quickly kill this guy before he wanders off. I'll find him like a year later just hiding in like the Howling Caves or something. Data get entity at s is selected item dot tag dot base. So this is basically the hidden stuff. This is what goes on in the background. And as you can see, sharpness, it knows its level and also knows the bonus it should do. So that's good. Do Sugar Rush enchant? Well, we've already got the next two planned, sharpness and true protection, but who knows, maybe we'll do that after. We'll let people choose. Thank you, Hans. I'm not going to try and pronounce your second name for the sub. So yeah, in our function, we want to go execute store result in score at s. Okay, I think we need a new score. Yeah, we will. So let's do that. Not here. That's our wrong reset function. We want to go to the stat reset function. Got to keep things organized. And then we go sharp mult for short for sharpness multiplier, for anyone who couldn't work that out. Back in game. So we're going to set this to the player's selected item, which would be the target, like so. yeah, the player's selected as a target entity in this, so set target entity to the selected item.tag.base. So now this is all this stuff, and then we go .enchantments. Actually, I think this would be a better way to do it. So .enchantments returns this, and then we want to search for sharpness, like so. Or a better way of doing it would be like this: sharpness identifier. Okay, it looks the exact same, but it's probably better to do it this way. Level, like so. And then that goes on the end of here. Why is my head hurting? Yeah, sorry about that. And now if I go back to the website I was showing you earlier, Minecraft JSON, if I copy this, if it went to plan, I should be able to paste the player's sharpness multiplier in chat, just as a test. And then if this works, we know that we set it up correctly. It's using a plugin called data packs. Yeah, no data packs here. No, sorry, no plugins here. If we use plugins, we wouldn't be able to do it on single player, because plugins only support multiplayer. Hence why we're doing data packs. And also, I just don't know how to code plugins. You're going to the wrong person for plugins. I'm a data pack guy. Okay, so now if we hit a mob, it says 0 because we're not, you know, our fist obviously doesn't have sharpness to it. Thank you, Red Gamer, for the sub. Oh no. I think that was like that. Yeah, that was that. And if we get a sword, it also says 0 because this doesn't have sharpness to it. But if I summon a zombie and use my sharpness sword, it says 5. Oh, oops, it should say 25. Oh, that's because we got the level, because obviously it's sharpness 5. We want the bonus. Bonus is where it stores the multiplier, or the effect. So the 25%. Quick, everyone copy Blue's code. Yeah, there's probably a couple of people just like screenshotting every page I go onto. No. But you don't have to worry. If you're interested in getting into things or just like looking for my code, when I release the project, I'm going to be open sourcing it, so anyone can check out my code. Anyone can, you know, make their own little tweaks if they want. I'm sure. I mean, it wouldn't be great if you just copied it, all my code word for word, but I'm sure you could take bits used for your own projects. So yeah, you don't have to worry too much. I'm not keeping it hidden or anything. Hypixel Skyblock with creative is cursed. Yeah, the first time I went on it felt so weird. I've kind of got used to it now, but lots of people, whenever they see it, you know, it hasn't really sunk in for other people yet. Being able to, you know, go, oh, I feel like having, I don't know what items are that. I feel like having an aspect of the dragons. Let's quickly go, oh, look at that, we now have an aspect of the dragons, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, we got our sharpness multiplier, and now we just need to times our formula. Yeah, I think I'm thinking this through correctly. We could always divide our formula afterwards to be more precise. The longer we wait to divide, the better. We've got a full-on army at our island just posing. Yeah, if anyone's new to the stream and you want to join my guild, you can do /g space join space BluePvps. We're still looking for people. We're still nowhere near full. Let me see here. How many are we on? G info 45. We've gained a lot today. but yeah. I'll accept some of those every now and again. Can I donate Skyblock money? I'll take it for free, but I can't give you anything in return because I think that'd be counting as IRL trading then, which isn't allowed if I'm thinking correctly. So, oh, a lot of new people to the stream. Hello, everyone. Okay, that's all. So many new people. Fake virus, Pepe. I think I accepted most people who... Okay, cool. AFK squad. When will this be released? It's hard to say. The first release, which obviously won't have complete features, it'll just be like the very core stuff, you know, to get it playable, will probably be in 1 to 2 months' time. But obviously after that I'll be releasing updates with the new content. Because obviously there's no way I'll be able to get everything done, you know, that quickly. So now we want to set the player's formula. We kind of want to... The problem is, chat, the sharpness multiplier is too big. It's, instead of... We want it to be 0.25. I don't know how good everyone's maths is, but obviously if you have 500 and you want to increase it by 25%, you're going to do times 1.25 like that, rather than timesing it by 25 or 125. So yeah, we need to decrease this value. But our problem is scoreboards can only store whole numbers, integers. So we're going to have to divide it afterwards. So we'll probably have to do something like this. So divide by 100 up here, times it, and then divide it again. I think that's probably the best way to do this. And then we go scoreboard players operation @s e formula, which is the amount of damage calculated to be dealt. Which server is this? This is my single player world. Times equals the E sharpness multiplier. It's not recognizing that. Is that just because I didn't reload? I hope so. Let me see here. No. Okay, it's just not recognizing that. That's good. Why is it not... Did I not write it in? No, I did. Let's see here. If I reload, how many errors do I get? I normally get 6 because I've already added 1.16 items. Yeah. So there's no... I know if I have more than 6, then I've got a problem. Oh. Oh, I'm just really, really, really bad at the game. Okay, it's because I didn't specify whose score it was. So score the player's operation. So yeah, it times is there, and then it divides. Oh, but it should only divide if they have this score. So execute if entity @s is scores sharpness multiplier. So if they have a sharpness multiplier of, well, any sharpness multiplier, it divides it again, which fixes our issue, I think. Well, I guess the best way to find out is just to test it. Let me accept a couple more. Did I miss people? I missed a couple. Yeah, that's alright. So, let's full screen this. Let's reload. Copy the dot. I don't know what you mean. I know, I'm saying I don't know what you mean so much. Okay, so fist is now dealing 0. That's not good. Not what we wanted. Oh, it's because... Yeah, of course. Before, I was timesing their score by the sharpness multiplier, even if they didn't have one. So it just times it by 0. And then that was it for them. Oh, and I need to add 100. So much. Okay, there's too many commands now. Now we're going to have to... We're going to have to create a separate function just for all of our sharpness commands. The guinea pig says you're bald. No, you are. Got him. Yeah, so multipliers. And then I copy this sharpness, because this is our sharpness multiplier. And then we just want this bit. Yeah, we don't want any of the setup. We don't want to remove the health. We don't want to do that. We just want this stuff. Oh. And I'm doing the commands before I actually set the score. That could also be a big reason why it messed up. Everyone's just... Yeah, that's right, guinea pig. You got shut down. Blue Commander, your sub count is bugged. Yeah, the one on screen's kind of weird. It only works if a person with public subs. Anyone else, it just doesn't work for. Casually deletes half the code. Nah, don't worry, don't worry. It's still here. I just copied the file, so everything here was in here. Which we didn't necessarily want. Oh, we don't want this command either. We want to... Yeah. Okay, it's all coming together now, chat. It's all coming together. So we do this. So we set their score from the item to a scoreboard. If it's more than 1, we want to run our function. So let me get the function name. It is stats damage update multiplier sharpness. It's this. Oh, my phone's beeping. Hopefully it's nothing important. Yeah, so that sounds good. Everpig says, we got Blue to say no you and you're bald. Good job, good job. Okay, reload. And if everything went to plan, which it probably didn't, because it always takes several attempts for me to not mess something up. Okay, it's dealing 5. That's good. They have a score of 0 for dealing 5 with a fist. This should deal 40. Yeah, it does. Cool. And hopefully this should deal 50. No, yeah, this should deal 50. No, it deals 10. Oops. We were so close, chat. We were so close. Why did it deal 10? That's weird. Oh, I know. Yep. We messed up again. Thank you, Wolfie, for the sub. So what this is doing is this is working out how much extra damage to deal. But we then need to add that to what we had before. So it needs to be... Right now we're dealing 10, but it should be 40 plus 10 to make 50. Chocolate says, when is episode 6 coming? As soon as possible, I guess is the only response I can give. I'm working a lot on it, but, you know, it takes a lot of work. We'll get there when it's ready. I don't want to rush it, just for the clout or whatever. Your voice reminds me of Wisp. I'll take that, you know. Thank you, Levi. Thank you, the sad one who subbed. I hope subbing made you less sad. Okay, we're gonna need another score. We're gonna need a I could potentially reuse old function, the old things. Don't know what I'm saying right now. So E formula set to... Yeah, I can do this. That works. And then in here we add it back on. So we got our 10 and then we add back on the 40. Thank you, Tram or 𝐿𝐿 for the sub. You made me cry. I hope you're happy with yourself. I hope that's an exaggeration. I really hope so. Oh, my fist now deals 40 damage. That's not good. Why did that happen? As you can see, you're experiencing live me messing up everything. Huh. Well, I'm going to be honest with you, chat. I don't know what happened there. I guess we'll have to have some more debug messages. So, gold can be Formula 2. And 𝐒𝐿𝐵 can be Formula 1. So let's see what happens when we punch that in now. Please answer, I need it. What do you need? Let's have a look up. What did you say? How will DA work? Every hour? What do you mean by DA? Someone please say what DA means. Oh wait, what? We're dealing... What? We're doing 5 again. Oh yeah. Mobs now deal damage to each other, which is cool. And the icons work. I think actually I might have shown that off in my second channel video. Yes, I'm still dealing 5. If I hold a sword, I'm dealing 40. If I hold this sword, we're dealing 50. Wait, chat, I think, without realizing, I think sharpness now works. You know what that means, chat? We want to see nothing but hypes in the chat. Nothing. We just want the word hype. Let's go. Okay, let me double check this wasn't like a fluke. Let me get a custom sharpness level to check any sharpness works. So sharpness 100. Let's see. Let's see what sharpness 100 looks like. And then we need to put it in here. So it should deal 500% more damage. There we go. There's the hypes I wanted to see. Thank you, everyone. Okay, so it should deal 500% more damage. So what's 500% more than 40? I don't know. 240? That sounds about right. Is that 500% more? Let's think. 40 times 100. That's what, 4,000? Yeah, I can't be bothered to do the maths. I'm sure it's right. 40. I just need somebody who's good at maths just confirm that 500% is 240. I'll assume it's correct. There's no reason why. Oh, DA's Dark Auction. Right, okay. Yeah, I'm seeing 200, which makes sense because it's 200 plus the 40, right? For example, 25% is 10, but then we add the 40. So yeah, it should be 6 times, not 5 times, which makes sense. Yeah, that's correct, I think. Hype, nice. So now, if you ever want a sharpness 100, you know where to go. Hook me up. Sick. Okay, anyway, yeah, back to your Dark Auction question. How are you going to be... Was it how are you going to do Dark Auction? I'm pretty sure. How I'm going to be doing it is, well... Obviously, you'll go there as normal. Everything will, I think I'll be able to recreate perfectly up until when you actually get into the Dark Auction, which will obviously have to be slightly different. Because although this does support players and things like that, you know, you can have multiple players, you can play with your friends. It's also built, it's going to be built, so you can also play by yourself if you want to in a single player world. So we're going to probably have to have some sort of like bots or algorithm or some, you know, some sort of AI to bid. So you're not just, you can't just buy everything for like 5 coins or something. You know, you need to actually have a struggle while in the dark. Same with the auction house. So we're probably going to have like a command to enable and disable an AI. Yeah, AI bids. Cool. So what did we say we're going to do next? We said true protection, right? So another one to tick off. Oh, I need to update my Trello page. I haven't done that in ages. Trello... Not more enchants v3. Oh no, I'm getting my future projects leaked. Okay, here we are. Where's enchanting enchantments? Okay, I did the menu. Enchanting works. Normal enchantments work. Level 6 books, they technically work, but I haven't... I also need to... Laws work. Item law. Anyone else like this? Literally add something to a list just so you can tick it off. I do this all the time. I probably shouldn't. It just defeats the point, doesn't it? Yeah, and then we can tick off... If I can find anything. There's so many I can't... Oh, I didn't do it alphabetically as well. That confuses everything. Let's see here. So we did growth. Oh, these are just the vanilla... No, these are just the custom enchants. So I need to add to the bottom protection. And we also did sharpness. So that's already 3 down, that's good news. Okay, yeah, let's do true protection next. At least let's try. I might have to give up. I don't know, it might be too complicated to do on stream. I'm not sure. Okay. So our first step. Why don't you add sharp 100 multiplier instead of doing save damage stuff? That's a very good question. Why do I do that? I don't know, maybe after the stream I'll have to simplify it. But very, very good observation. I'm trying to think, what is the reason for me doing that? Yeah, I got nothing. I don't know. I'll probably have to fix it, but there's no point doing it now. Protection and sharpness fall under vanilla enchants. Yeah, they are vanilla enchants, but because they work completely differently in Hypixel. For example, you know, defense isn't even a thing in normal Minecraft, so you know, protection's got a completely new function, and that's kind of a common theme with lots of the vanilla enchants. They've kind of been repurposed. Add lore for vanilla enchants. I do. I already have the lore. Okay, so we want to go set its true protection like this. So we're setting a new stat because we are, oh, true defense, sorry. Yeah, I guess, well, I guess it's as simple as that. If I now need to reload, and let me give myself something with true protection so I can actually test it out. True protection. Let's just do level 1 for now. Click that button, put it in here, click this button, and that simulates an enchant. Although you can't get this in normal enchanting tables. Okay, nice. So if I go data get entity as selected item dot tag dot base, yeah, true defense 5. So it's now added the score to the item, which is good. Did you disable or just remove the vanilla enchants? Basically, because I've got a custom system, this doesn't add the same way vanilla enchants wouldn't. So as you can see, this says sharpness 5. But if I get its, normally enchants are stored here, so enchantments, as you can see, it's empty. So I don't actually store them. And that's just because, like I said, it messes up things. They don't work how we want them to work. Some things we will be able to do is simply just making it function like normal. For example, fire aspect. Oh, I'm hearing sounds in my other game. For example, fire aspect, not fire, Frostwalker, that's the one. Frostwalker, you'll easily just be able to, well, I'll easily just be able to copy it across. But yeah, for most that isn't possible. And now someone's got a I'll just turn my sound off completely for this. So yeah, we've got our true protection. It's going to be hard because we don't actually have a true defense system at all at the moment. So let's go calculate stats. So this is basically what this function's for. Is this runs every single time a player equips an armor piece or holds a sword or a new item. It basically just recalculates your stats. And this is, well, this is useful. Say, at the moment I'll have 100 health. If I equip this, it'll run that function. It'll work out, oh, I need to add 150 because this item is 150 health. It'll say, oh, I need to add 150. And it'll do that. As you can see, the item, bonus health 150. So that's what this function does. But now we need to add another one. We need to add true protection. So this is like a whole new stat. This isn't even like an enchant. This is like a stat. So we need a base and bonus protection. If I can find where this ends. Here. Like so. We can call it like true prot. And then base true prot and bonus true prot. I also need to enable the trigger, which basically just means people can run commands on it. Thank you, YouTube Adam 2221. No, sorry, 2211. I can't read today. Yeah, so true prot here. Thank you, Potato, for the sub. We're getting really close to 15k. This is an example of a true madman. Yeah, so now the player has a true protection score. And I also need to set their default scores. So back to stats, functions, base player stats. So their base protection or base true prot should be 0. Like so. Thank you, 𝐿𝐿, for the sub. And then basically we have a base, bonus, and a normal. And the normal is just the two combined. So that's what we're doing here. So true prot is equal to the base. And then we just set the bonus to 0. And then these functions will get its value. Okay. So let me open these. So collect stats. It's in these. Let me just open this Notepad++ to make it easier. Oh, that is blinding. That is so ugly to look at without its colouring. Okay, so we just add one to the end. Thank you, Nathan, for the sub. Wait, people are saying we hit 15k, did we? No way did we actually hit 15k. Let me reload actual YouTube. We actually did, wow. No way. Okay, that is what calls for another hype in the chat, everyone. Let's... That's so cool. Thank you, everyone, so much. That's insane. Halfway there to YouTube rank. Suddenly, thank you, Hyper I. So many subs coming in suddenly. Everyone trying to be the 15k. That's insane. I'm so lost for words. Well, I better refresh the bar on the top. Rota. Thank you, Sam Cassidy. 15,000. Wow. I guess we'll have to set what could be the next goal. 20k, I guess. Set start goal. Date must be in the future. Oops. Thank you, everyone, for the kind words in chat. Oh. Did I mess it up? Oh yeah, I messed it up. Goal amount 20,000. Starting amount 15,000. Wow. Thank you, Thomas Jefferson. That is really satisfying to look at. That's such a crazy milestone. Thank you, 𝐒𝐬𝐬 Cinematic. I'm so lost for words. Thank you, Chocolate Chip. Everyone's saving their sub for the 15k. We're suddenly having so many, that's crazy. Wow. Okay. So back to this. Here before 100 subs. That's an OG right there. Thank you, Speed Sai. Game moment. Thank you, Virylan in chat. You deserve it, thank you. I'm trying to understand what this is. This looks wrong. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, that's good. This is what I wanted here. True prot. And then we set that from true... Oh no, it's not called true prot, it's true defense. Oh, I've messed up the whole thing. Did I rename it wrong from the very beginning? Yep, I did. Let's call it def. I'm still not over the 15k. Thank you, 𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐻, I guess. Thank you, MC Solar Eclipse, for just subbing. Wow. Lost for words, really am. This calls for a celebration. I'll have to... I don't know. What can we do to celebrate? Here before 2k subs, OG. Here before 6.9k, nice. It's a true def like that. Yeah, I think I'm doing this right now. True def instead of true prot. Def. Oh, and I need to fix the base stat function. You know, streaming is really fun. We should do this more often. Would you guys be down for some more streams? Let me know. I know a lot of people are asking for this stream. And it's all, you know, it's kind of a bit nervous before you get going. You're like, oh, I'm suddenly going to have to... I'm talking in front of 100 people. Well, 300 in this case, which is crazy. But, yeah, once you get going, it's so fun. Okay, I'm seeing 100% yeses, so I think it's a deal, guys. To thank you, I'll have to just do more streams. Okay, like this. I'm pretty sure. Let me double check. Okay, this is fully typed out. That'll just confuse things. Let me change it. Okay, now I just need to copy and paste this. So that now bonus defense is added from the hand, but now we need to add it from the chest plate. Let me see here. Yeah, then we add it from chest plate, which is this. Yeah, it's this bit. I'm seeing face cam. No, I don't think so, guys. 500 billion subscribers and it's a face cam. We got a deal? Okay, like this. And then I really feel that my eyes burning out from this blinding white theme. That's the best thing about VS Code, the dark theme. Do a voice reveal. Never. You will never hear my voice. Okay, now I need to add it to the boots. That's slot 100. Okay, they're irrelevant. And then slot 101, which is leggings, and slot 103, which is helmet. Cool. Now I can finally get rid of Notepad++. There's a reason I don't use that anymore. Big toe reveal. Microwave reveal. The fact I'm actually seeing more than one microwave reveal is kind of terrifying. Cactus reveal? I do actually have... The ironic thing is you guys create like a cactus gang, but I do actually have a cactus. Obviously a small one. I don't have like a fully grown massive cactus, but... Okay, and then we go true. So right now, anyone who's new to the stream, we're making true protection. Or true defense, I should say. Because protection is the enchant, and then defense is the stat. But before we make the stat, obviously, we need to make the The stat. Well, I think I just said the same thing twice, whatever. Yes, a true defense. I think we've set this up. Cool. Okay, let me check this. Oh, actually, something I need to check in actual game. Does anyone have a true protection piece? Like, does anyone have true protection on a thing? I'll give it back straight after. I just need to... If anyone could lend one, that'd be insane. Because we need to see... Basically, I need to know, does true protection show in this menu here? Oh, it's... Wait, what? How do I have true protection right now? What? Wait, where am I getting my true protection from? Wait, chat, does anyone know why I have true protection right now? I need answers. Stream reveal, cactus reveal, gender reveal, forehead reveal, eye color reveal. Well, I had given eye color reveal. You ready, guys? I have blue eyes. Wow, who would have thought? But yeah, does anyone know why I have pet? Wait, does oh, the rock gives... Oh, thank you, Omar, for pointing that out. Yeah, I didn't realise the rock gave true defense. That's actually kind of crazy. How you guys doing, all the rocks? Okay, so that settles it then. We need to add true defense to the stat menu as well. Everyone getting excited that I have blue eyes. Yeah, so let's add this thing. Okay. First of all, I need to go find it. So loot tables, player head. Player head and player head 2 is where that... Oh, no. Never using Notepad++ again. Okay, it opens by default. That's kind of depressing. Thank you, Robothra, for the sub. You joined a guild. Did I? Please don't say I accidentally left my guild. Nah, I didn't join a guild. Okay, you terrified me then for a sec. Nah, I'm still in my guild. It seems like, anyway. Getting a trade request. Come on, let's have some amazing contraband. Please don't be a piece of dirt. It's going to be, isn't it? Nice. Nice. Thank you very much for your contribution. Okay. Moan reveal. IGN reveal. Nose hair reveal. You guys are really good at brainstorming, aren't you? Notepad++ reveal. Yeah, so we need to... Actually, we're going to have a completely separate one. Because if you have 0 true protection, I'm pretty sure it doesn't show. I can test that, actually. Oh, someone's offering me free stuff. Nice. All the free stuff. Thank you very much. Wait. Did you see that? Our coins were perfect for a second. 69,420. Okay, let me de-equip my pet. And yeah, it no longer shows. So you only have true protection show if you have it. So we'll have true protection. So we need to create a completely different loot table. So true head, profile head true prop, and profile head 2 true prop. Moan at 30k subs. Sure thing, guys. Sure thing. It's a deal. Yeah, so let's open this up. I'll probably have to end the stream pretty soon. But hopefully we can at least add this new stat first. Elbow reveal. No, that's Teclo-based thing. We can't steal his thing. Recording software reveal. I use Bandicam. Oh, this is a mess, this code. Or this loot table, I should say. Okay, so where in the list is it? Let me re-equip. Oh, more people offering me stuff. Okay, let me equip my pet. Okay, it appears after defense. Right, I guess that makes sense. So let me find defense. That's here. Let me just copy and paste that. It's in white. True def for D. Oh, I called this true pro again. Tongue reveal. We're still going with all the ideas. So P defense, true protection, and I need to get the icon for true protection. I think I have that saved on my generator. Let me do that on my other monitor so I don't accidentally leak my generator to all 250 of you guys. bluecommander.com/ I very almost read it out loud. Okay, got it. Screen reveal. Still on with the cactus reveals. Skin reveal. Okay, here. True defense. So white and white, like so. And now I need this on the other one too. So basically the reason we have two, we have profile head and profile head 2. Profile head 1 is this item where it says click to view your profile, and 2 is where it doesn't say that when you're actually on the page. So that's why that's a thing. Let's paste this in. Nice, we now have true defense. Now I just need to rename these to def. I keep getting mixed up between protection and defense, which is really bothering me. Def, like that. And then we need to open up. Oh, well, this will be a menu then. So we need to go to menu, because we need to make the actual menu display the true defense score. Menus, profile 1 and profile 2. Oh, and main menu as well will also display it. So let's go to that first. Where will that be? That'll be, yeah, that's this bit here. So now we need 2. We also need profile head underscore true def, like that. Browser reveal. I use 𝐒𝐭𝐬𝐬 as my search engine, and then browser Google Chrome. Middle name reveal. I'm sure kind of revealing. Website reveal. Toaster reveal. You guys are smashing it. Okay, scores. So we need to calculate if their score, P true prop, is 1 or more. And if not, the other one will just do its thing. Okay, let's see if this worked. Only one way to find out, chat. Sub count reveal. Yeah, we'll do a sub count reveal at 30k. How about that? Please toaster reveal. Wow, this guy 𝐒𝐭𝐬𝐧𝐤𝐬 is really desperate about that toaster reveal. You're just looking for a new toaster or something. Okay, so right now it doesn't display, which is to be expected. Hopefully, if we take off our superior, put on our true prop, please display, please, please. It doesn't display. Okay, that's an F. Scoreboard players get at S's P true def. I have a score of 0 true def. Nice. Nice. Oh, it's because I made this chest plate before I made the changes. Yeah. I think that's why. Yeah, so I do that. And then I put it in here. Then I click this. Then I get it out. Okay, that messed up for some reason. Oh, I think it's because I dropped it on the ground before it went in my inventory. There you go. Yeah, that was why. So now hopefully I can put this on. Yeah, I have a score of 5, so hopefully it displays... No, wait, is that how it's meant to display? True defense 6. Nice. I think we got it working. GG. Okay, now we just need to make it display once you open the page in here as well. That should be simple enough to do. We just have to, instead of going in the main menu, don't need that, we open the profile menu 1 and 2. Like that. Go down to the bottom here where it says profile head 2. Duplicate true def. And then, yeah, then we also check their score. Scores, so we only display the custom one or the extra one if they have a true def score of 1 or more, like so. And then this goes in page 2, like that. Yeah, looks correct. Reload. Okay, then it displays here. It's now showing twice. Which, what? Did it show? No. Well, what? Oh, I replaced strength by accident. Oops. Okay, let me fix that then. Potato reveal, floor reveal, coffee mug reveal. I don't actually drink hot drinks, so I'm afraid you won't be getting that one anytime soon. Yeah, so loot tables, crafting. No, not crafting. No, I'm just in the completely wrong place. What am I doing? It's in here. No, I've lost it. Okay. Oh, it's in stats. Of course it is. Loot tables. Okay, let me open these two back up. I might have to go to Notepad++. Oh no. You hate to see it. Yeah, strength is still normal on this one, so I should be able to copy and paste it across. Thank you, Just Be High, bro, for the sub. Yeah, that should fix it. Let's do that. So correct here and correct here. Nice. And if I take off my true protection, it no longer displays. So that's good. Cool. Yeah, I might have to leave it here for the stream, you know. But either next stream or off camera, I'll finish off true protection to show you. Sorry, I know I didn't really say it was going to be ending soon, but I'll thank you, 𝐒𝐿𝐴𝐿𝐴, for the sub. But yeah, I need to eat dinner, so I'm sure that's very soon, so I'll have to end it here. If you guys enjoyed, and you're not subbed already, it'd be awesome if you could. Thank you guys so much for 15k. It's actually crazy. We gained like 200 subs this stream or something, which is really insane. I'll briefly go on. I'll stay on Hypixel for a little bit longer on my Badland client. So if any of you guys want to, I don't know, take screenies, we'll go to like a lobby or something. Oh, well, thanks for the summoning. Nice. Thanks very much, Mr. Gold Jr. But yeah, we'll go to which lobby should we go to? If you guys want to take screenies, I'll be AFK probably, but we'll go to the Jules lobby, and we'll go like lobby 7 in the Jules lobby. I'll be here. If you guys want to take a screenshot, I'll chill with, I don't know, where shall I go? I'll just chill over here where it says Jules. Yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell you guys. If you want to watch some more videos, feel free to rewatch the series or watch some of my other videos. And thank you, 𝐿𝐿𝐼𝐻𝐿, for the sub. Also, one last thing. I know lots of people kind of joined the streams halfway through and were asking me to keep them public so you could rewatch or watch all of it. And if you want to do something like that, you'll be able to find it. Let me quickly do that. You'll be able to find it in the playlist section. So if you go to my channel and then click playlists, you'll find all of my live streams there, so you'll be able to watch them there. But other than that,